guys, it's me again. Long time no upload in my YouTube channel. So ngayon mag-upload na ako. And ang gawin ko ngayon ay magagawa tayo ng keychain nila. You heard me right? Keychain. So I'm gonna make a keychain and I'm gonna show you my collection of keychain. So first I'm gonna open the lights here. I'm just gonna and I'm gonna off this. Yep. Okay, let's see. So first I'm gonna get my set that I bought from TikTok shop. Mom! Yeah. So this is the set that I bought. Gosh. And this is my collection. Yeah, it's so many. So first you're gonna pick a cake that you're gonna use to create it. Like this bear, kasi this is very human. Or not, probably this little bear. But yeah. I'm just gonna, oh, this no. I'm gonna try this little tiny butterfly. And this one is, oh, it's bright. Oh, it's bright. Oh, this is good. So this is the one that I made. Yeah, it's blue. And I'm gonna sell it to my school. Oh, by the way, this is 10 pesos because it's blue and like they have a color. So I'm just gonna put it in. So if this is the bag that I use for the small ones, but for the big ones, I use this one. This that I use for the big one. So you see the difference? This is small and this is big. So first you want to put the small into the bag. I don't know if this gonna fit, but probably it would fit. I'm gonna just make a fit right here. So you see, I put it in the bag. Now I'm just gonna take off this like plastic. Look. There's the plastic, right? And I'm just gonna take that off. Oh! Mamaya.
Kakain? Ay, sabi mo daw lang ang pusit.
So I put it in the bag. Now I'm just gonna put it here. Oh, I forgot to close this. Ew. That's right. Good thing I have a t-shirt right there. Oh, this one is the Arawara made. It's so cute. Promise, guys. I think I'm just gonna get this. Look at it. one is I'm gonna keep. This is mine. And this is it's just so this one I put cream on it, but I'm not gonna sell this. Like it's so not good, and no one will buy this. So this one that I'm gonna keep. This is so cool. I like this and this because this is the bigger one. Yeah. And then I'm gonna sell this. For now, we're gonna make a butterfly which is same like white. White and butterfly. Oh, butterfly can be perfect. Oh, is this rabbit? It's gonna be perfect on here. Because we're just gonna put stickers. Yeah, that's perfect. So you see here, I have this thing. No, that's supposed to stick on the back here, so it's gonna stick on the keychain. But it's only three, and I have a bunch more of that. So I'm just gonna buy a lot of that. Yeah, because it's so like not much. When I bought it, it's like not much. It's like maunti in Tagalog. In Taga, basta ganun. Ayan. So, I put it in. Let's go to the paper. Yeah. So, that's gonna be. You cannot really see it, but it's on there. Then we're just gonna stick there. And I'm gonna put the sticker on. We're just gonna on the. Exactly this. And this is the final product. I just put a small sticker and a big sticker and a cut. It's not just much. And I'm gonna use this white so I can just put it in. Now I put it in. So we're just gonna put it on a bag. So guys, if you have nothing to do on your house, just buy a keychain set for search it on TikTok sometimes I like keeping the keychain because I think it's pretty. So we're gonna do this one. So this thing have a plastic around it, not like the other one. So I'm just gonna be going with the green type. So, don't mind me just put it on my dog. Because when I'm not doing that, it's so hard to take off this plastic. Yeah, I think I just yeah, I'm not gonna say that. Just have it down. Yummy, yummy. But that's yeah, I'm gonna go to what if they still have it. Yeah, I'm gonna do the avocado because it's so cute. So I'm just gonna do the thing that I did. This thing is so hard to take off, the paper thing. That's good. Yeah, I'm gonna do the shoes too. R.I.P. the pussy. Hey, I'm getting rich tonight. So it's only one left. So I'm gonna buy the thing that I on my TikTok shop. Cause this is so not much. Like it's just full like that, and they gave me so much this. Oh my gosh, this should be enough. It should be many than that. Cause like yeah, and the change is so like so little, but the kitchen is so dami. So we're gonna use the sticker with a green on it. Maybe. Oh, I see that. Yeah, this is. We're gonna do the flowers. Then we're gonna do the food thing. Because they have an avocado. So maybe I'm gonna just do the strawberry. It's not totally green, but it will. So, let's take.
Meron akong
So now I just gonna put the chain. I'm gonna put the green one. This is good. I'm not keeping the green, but then I'm just gonna put it in the light. This is good. So that's the things that I do when I'm bored. Or nothing to do. Yeah. So now we're gonna show you how much I done. So starting off with this strawberry, this is so cute. So this is gonna be 10 pesos. And I already show you this one, and this is only 10 pesos. So I'm thinking not, I'm not gonna sell this because this is so ugly, but I'm gonna just show you. Yeah, this box is about it. And this one, that's only 5 pesos. Oh, this is one I give to I'm gonna give this one to my one friend. And this is so cute too. That's 5 pesos. Oh, this is the one I'm gonna give, or the other one, I don't know. Look at it, this is so good, guys. This is 10 pesos. This one I don't know if I'm gonna sell this. This one is so cute. This one is the other one I done. This is so cute. Oh, you have it. That's so cute. And this one with a carrot tea. And this one with a chocolate. Oh, this one that I'm gonna give to her. And this one I'm just made. And I'm gonna sell this. And this. Yeah, I'm just did this. And this, I already show you this. But I'm gonna just do this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna sell this or not. And this, I show you this or not. And this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna sell this. This box about. This I'm sure I'm gonna sell. And this one. So I'm gonna just count them. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I done 24 and I'm gonna sell this. I'm gonna add. So my classes starts at 22, but so that's where that's how I'm gonna eat now. Bye, thanks for watching, like and subscribe.